Threes is brought to you by Elite Exteriors, roofing, siding, windows, and gutters.
All right, once again, it is Severe Weather Awareness Week here at 5:25. We're going to kind of touch on lightning today, and once again, some facts about lightning. Some of this may actually surprise you here. One lightning bolt can actually be 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Usually here in the United States, we're one of the stormiest countries in the world, no surprise there. As many as 25 million lightning strikes can have the power of 1 billion volts. But amazingly, 90% of the people that get hit by lightning actually survive, although we don't recommend giving this a shot here. All right, some other numbers and information here. When you hear thunder, you are at risk. A lot of people hear it way off the distance and don't think, no, you can actually still get hit, probably a lesser charge. But anytime you hear that, you want to definitely start to head towards the indoors there. Avoid electronic devices. Watch water too. Even when you're in the bath or shower, it's not a good idea if you have lightning around because that water is a good conductor. So it's a lower risk. But again, we're just saying all the possibilities here. How far is lightning away from you? Well, when you hear that thunder or see the flash, again, after you hear the thunder, divide that by 5, and you can count the seconds there. So an example to kind of avoid anybody trying to do math here at 5:25 in the morning. 10 seconds equals 2 miles. You kind of get the idea there. 5 would be 1 mile. So the less time, the closer it is to you in a nutshell there. All right, and once again outside this morning, we're not dealing with any lightning. 32 degrees. We've got some slick spots, north winds, 33, gusting to 40.